Hey, Raymond Gates, let's look at this real quick. I think the issue, so you mentioned that you got this from the Pro Design Library, I think, right? Yeah, you pulled the sign from the library. I think the issue starts with how you pulled it from the library. Uh, common issue, common issue. I'm gonna kind of pick one that I think it might be and go from there. Ooh, I'm not sure if I see it in here. Uh, Oh no, this is gonna be tough to find which one it is. Ooh, is that? No, that's not quite it. It kind of looks like that, maybe? Yeah, I think it's this one. And then maybe you selected on path or outside of path. Is it this one? It's not this one. And it scrolled all the way back up to the top too. All the way back down to where I was. I'm not quite sure which one you used, but the issue usually comes up when the selection of the I think you want to use fill for this instead of the way it is right here. Because what happens is if we look at this sample here and we select fill, we can kind of see where the issue comes into play. There's something to do with it's not three pieces like you might expect it to be, but rather it's got this weird thing where it's kind of full in the middle here. I'm going to go ahead and use the Shape Exploder app here, the grenade, to try and separate this out. It might work, it might not. Oh, it did. So we've got this one here. We can set this one as a 0 depth. And then by doing that, I can combine these back together. And now I'm left with the way that the sandal should be from the beginning, which should have been the way that it would come out if you selected fill. But sometimes when you choose on path, it does weird things where it doesn't connect stuff right. So I'm going to take this one here and I'm going to make a copy of it. And I'm going to edit and flip horizontally, aka mirror. And get rid of that one. And now I've got these two here. So if you wanted to at this point, you could combine them. But you're going to have, by using edit combine, having to align them properly. Oops. I'm going to choose one of them and just kind of jog it over. So like this, you could combine them. I don't know if that's the look you're going for, but that's really what you end up with a combine function. Now I could undo that real quick, move this over a little bit more, that way they kind of overlap like that. I don't know if you want them to overlap or not, but that's what you're left with combining them that way. I'm not sure if this is what you're looking for, but that's the stuff for combining it. Um, if it's not, if you have a picture of a carve that does look the way you want it to, you can post that and I can show you how I can try and replicate that in easel. I might not choose the same sandal style that you want, but I'm going to pick some random ones from the library and I can show you how to get the same or similar result to another 𝐭𝐫𝐢𝐚𝐥 example. All right, let me see that. All right, take care.